Welcome to Home Food Best Food. I'm Bhavna Jagannatha, and today you're watching the second episode of 5-minute recipe series, that is whole wheat microwave brownies. These are the best eggless whole wheat brownies, which are flavorful, moist, and chocolatey ever. The best part of these brownies, these are made in just 5 to 6 minutes. For mixing the batter, it will take 2 minutes, and these are going to be cooked in microwave in just 5 minutes. These brownies fall between chewy and cakey category. Try them with dollop of vanilla ice cream and some chocolate sauce. It's going to be heavenly. So let's start the recipe. First, we are going to make some flaxseed egg substitute. In a small bowl, take 2.5 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder and mix it well. In a mixer jar, take half cup of butter. Next, add flaxseed-water mixture. Next, add half cup of sugar. Half cup of yogurt, and blend it for few seconds in a blender. Next, you're going to stiff together dry ingredients. Take 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of chocolate powder or cocoa powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sieve it into a bowl. Next, we are going to mix our wet ingredients with the dry ingredients until it forms a batter. Don't overmix your batter. Mix it by cut and fold method. Prepare the mold. Apply some butter over the mold and cover it with parchment paper or butter paper on all the sides. As shown in the video, with 2 strips of parchment paper. Transfer the batter into a microwave-safe mold. I'm using an 8x8 pan. Level it by patting it twice onto the ground and also by jiggling it for several times. Next, place it in the microwave. My microwave is set at full power, that is 1200 volts. And these are going to go for 5 minutes. I'm going to switch the express 5 minutes button and the countdown begins now. You can also bake them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. These brownies are smelling amazing. Cool them completely before cutting them. Baking time may vary depending upon the microwave settings, so please check your microwave settings before baking. These brownies were made in just 5 minutes. Yours may vary depending upon the microwave settings. It might take 1 or 2 minutes less or more. I'm going to cut them 4x3. These are cooked to perfection. See how amazing it looks. I'm going to serve this with big scoop of ice cream. I'm going to dazzle some chocolate sauce over it. Yummy and delicious! If you like this recipe, then share it, subscribe to my channel, and also give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.